Raggedy.
Tell me 5 things about
What the hell are you doing?
Oh, can you see him?
Yeah.
Oh,
Turquoise, look out. Come on.
oh.
You gonna fight him?
Oh, that's funny shit. Woo!
Is that... Cat's on crack. Gonna fight him.
Yeah, that's right, turquoise.
No, turquoise.
No, this is all fucking different.
Cat fight.
I'm sorry. So funny. You know it is so fucking funny.
Why?
Connor, you should be one of those fucking cameramen on like fucking those like alligator shows and shit.
My shirt. Shut up. Let's see what happens when we put a new cat in the territory. Oh, it's a fight. It's gonna bite me.
It's a tiger. Hard.
Bite him back.
So cute. A tiger and a white leopard. No, like one choking. I know.